Start with captivating visuals of the Amazon rainforest, showcasing its lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and vibrant ecosystem. Introduce the topic and mention that the Amazon is the largest rainforest in the world, spanning multiple countries in South America. 1. Ancient origins. Discuss the geological history of the Amazon basin, dating back millions of years. Explore the prehistoric flora and fauna that once inhabited the region, including giant sloths, saber-toothed cats, and massive anacondas. Highlight the importance of the Amazon in shaping the Earth's climate and biodiversity. 2. Indigenous peoples. Explore the long history of human habitation in the Amazon, dating back thousands of years. Discuss the indigenous tribes that have called the Amazon home and their deep cultural connections to the land. Highlight the sustainable practices and traditional knowledge of indigenous peoples in managing the forest. 3. European exploration and colonization. Discuss the arrival of European explorers in the 16th century and their encounters with indigenous tribes. Explore the impact of colonization, including the spread of diseases, forced labor, and the exploitation of natural resources. Highlight the role of the Amazon in the global economy, particularly during the rubber boom. 4. Deforestation and development. Discuss the modern history of deforestation in the Amazon, driven by agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development. Explore the environmental and social impacts of deforestation, including habitat loss, biodiversity decline, and displacement of indigenous communities. Highlight key events and policies that have shaped deforestation trends, such as the construction of highways and the expansion of agricultural frontiers. 5. Conservation efforts. Discuss the emergence of environmental movements and conservation efforts in the Amazon, both locally and internationally. Highlight the establishment of protected areas, indigenous reserves, and conservation initiatives aimed at preserving the biodiversity and cultural heritage of the region. Explore the challenges and successes of conservation efforts in the face of ongoing threats, such as illegal logging and land grabbing. 6. Indigenous rights and advocacy. Discuss the growing recognition of indigenous rights and the role of indigenous peoples as stewards of the Amazon. Highlight the activism and advocacy efforts of indigenous leaders and organizations in defending their territories and traditional way of life. Explore the importance of partnerships between indigenous communities, NGOs, governments, and other stakeholders in promoting sustainable development and conservation in the Amazon. 7. Future challenges and opportunities. Discuss the future challenges facing the Amazon, including climate change, deforestation, and economic development pressures. Explore potential solutions and opportunities for sustainable development, including agroforestry, ecotourism, and renewable energy. Highlight the importance of global cooperation and collective action in addressing the urgent threats facing the Amazon and ensuring its long-term conservation. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the history of the Amazon, emphasizing the need for holistic approaches to conservation and sustainable development, encourage viewers to learn more about the Amazon, support conservation efforts, and advocate for policies that protect this vital ecosystem for future generations.